Yo guys, it is your boy, J Small! And today, we are going to be eating pizza, you get me? So, let's eat.
I might go silent and just play music in the background, or I might just talk throughout this video.
The pizza is good. This pizza is nice.
Or I might speed up the video. Watch me.
Munch, 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 munch. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Don't forget.
You get me. Danish fizzy drink. We need to add some ketchup.
Yummy, yum, 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 yum.
This is going to take me a long time to eat. I hope there's enough storage on my mobile phone to get me.
Right, I can't eat anymore. This is filling. This is literally stuffed crust full of cheese. That stuff is filling, man. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's been your boy, JJ Small, and peace.